Hi there, I'm Alex from Advanced Installer, and in this tutorial we are diving into how to register and unregister DLLs and OCX files in your MSI packages. First, let's understand regsvar32. Now, this is a command line utility for registering and unregistering OLLE controls, including DLLs and ActiveX controls. It's crucial for ensuring proper data transfer between applications. Now, using the regsvar32, you can easily register a DLL or OCX with commands like path2tool, DLL name, and unregister them using the /u switch. Now, if we go into the Windows sandbox, and as you can see here, this is a simple command line. You just paste the executable name here, which is, by the way, native in the OS, and the path to the DLL file. Now you can do this here, and this will succeed to unregister /u, and the DLL unregister server has succeeded. Now, let's see how to use VBScript for registration. Assuming a DLL named something is located in the system root DLL, we create a script that utilizes the utility to register the DLL file. Now, if we check the script here, it's a simple script which just runs the command I just showed you earlier and has the definition to the system root DLL, as I mentioned, and the random DLL name. You can also use the /s parameter to do everything silently, because as you saw, if you run it here, for example, this will appear, and you don't want during the installation for the user to have this sort of messages. This might be confusing for the user. It doesn't know most likely what the DLL does. Okay, and to unregister, again, use the same command line with the /u parameter and again the /s for silent. Pretty straightforward. When it comes to PowerShell, the process becomes more streamlined again, and we write a script to execute this utility with the appropriate parameters for registering or unregistering the DLL. So if we check the PowerShell script, it's again the same but much shorter. The arguments are the location of the certain DLL or OCX file and /s. Good. And you start the process for this particular utility. The arguments, wait, no new window, and pass through. The same with the unregister. You just pass the /u parameter, and that's pretty much it. When it comes to implementation and Advanced Installer, I already showed you this, but let's do it again. Custom actions. Let's start, actually, since I have PowerShell here, attach script, and I think it was with register. Yes, so this is used for registration. When the system is being modified, run under the local system account. Let's put it to the installation and maintenance mode. And for the uninstallation, I think we have unregister. When the system is being modified, run under local system account only during the uninstallation phase. You do this the same with VBScript, right? Watch attached file, and I think I have here register. When the system is being modified, run under the local system account during the installation and repair. And we do again the same, the unregister. When the system is being modified, run under the local system account only during the uninstallation phase. With Advanced Installer, it's much easier because we offer a graphical user interface for registering your DLL and OCX files. Now, we simply navigate to the Files and Folders page where you add or you have already your DLL or OCX file, and you right-click it, go to Properties, go to Registration, click Auto Register File, and you click OK, and that's it. Advanced Installer will do everything automatically, including registering and unregistering during the uninstallation phase your DLL or OCX file. In summary, whether you use scripting methods or Advanced Installer's graphical user interface, your DLLs and OCX files registering is crucial for the smooth functioning of your application. Each method has its strengths and can be selected based on your project needs and preferences. Thanks for tuning in to this Advanced Installer tutorial. We hope this guide helps you to streamline your installation process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Until next time, happy installing!